Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. Brianna's actually going to do a makeover on myself. It's been a long time since I had a full head of foil, so I'm feeling a little bit dark and dull. So we're going to go in and do back-to-back foils and make me blonde again. See the people on the balcony in the mirror. Oh, she's gone now.
Oh, look on the outside bit.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
I think she's doing a workout. She's on her hands and knees. So we've just finished. We've got these cool black foils. They're from Foil Me Foils, but they did a little collaboration with Hairco, which is really cool because it looks cool in the blonde hair. For the foils, we started with 7 vol at the back with Schwarzkopf Blonde Me, and then went to 20 and went to 30 on the last quarter. We do this just so the foils process all at the same time, because if you start with 20 at the back, then by the time you get halfway through, it's ready to go. So you'd actually be really amazed how good 7 volt actually lifts. So stay tuned, we're gonna process for like 20 minutes.
So the foils are ready. I'm just going to take them out one by one now and scrape them down to help clean out the ends a little bit.
Alright, so now we are at the best part, the hair wash.
So we've just come back from toning. We used quarter 9.5 4, quarter 9.5 1, and half of clear. So we did half clear to remove any warmth and to keep it nice and bright.
Let me see
we are all finished and I am blonde. It's been so long since I've had a full head of foils, so I'm so excited. And the next full head will be before the wedding in November, so it is perfect timing. We really hope you liked our video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the little bell as well so you get notified every time we post a video. We've had heaps of fun today doing this video for you, seeing as we're not doing clients at the moment, so stay tuned. We've got heaps of content planned for you over the next 2 weeks.